She was a fairy. That scared me.
Yeah, well, good thing it rained.
I thought
I didn't know it was gonna go up in the air.
I thought it was just gonna spin in one place.
No, it can't spin on that board. It would have fell off.
Yeah, either way, it probably would have fell off. That was stupid.
No, it wasn't. That was pretty cool, really.
It sucked.
It went way up in the air.
It sucked. Skull.
The skull's for nighttime.
Really?
Yeah, that'd be better.
I want to try. Brad, did the wish this one?
Why don't you shoot some bottle rockets or something?
Yeah, you got bottle rockets too.
I'm a pretty princess, mate.
That's for nighttime.
What do you mean? It should come out. There should be a princess in it.
They're still gonna make colors and stuff for nighttime.
Bruh, that's
Shoot
not
it,
reason.
start to shoot flaming balls.
Yeah, like a Roman candle. Yeah, try a Roman candle, Violet. Put it in the tube. A tube out there. Light it and throw it down there. Open that far.
What Roman
She
candle?
don't know what a Roman candle is. So let her show her.
Candles?
They
No.
were better for nighttime too, though. But
Yeah, I want to try the sneaky snake. I want to try a snake. That would definitely probably freak the freak out of the freak mom out.
It's not freaking like it should. Cheap Chinese plastic should just rip right apart. Try a rattlesnake.
A rat.
You gotta find a wick, kind of rip the paper down a little bit. There you go.
Really, what it actually looks like. Wowzer. This is very flammable. Oops.
Help her out, Jessica.
Lighting fire in the middle of the day. Light it on purpose. Oh, that was boring. Oh, never mind.
I didn't know they were cracking balls.
How many are there?
They were going up pretty high though for being in a tube.
Damn,
That wasn't bad.
it was pretty boring.
Oh,
Oh my god, my perfume.
what do you expect? The good stuff for later.
Bruh,
Good stuff later.
that was outrageous.
Time for hamburgers.
A cheeseburger.
Oh, they might be cheeseburgers.
They might be cheeseburgers.
Later. Later.
That burp. I want to like it all. Oh,
Whoa! Watch out!
what the frick?
No, they're done.
That was supposed to explode though. It didn't even, it just fell.
I know.
The frick?